The galantamine benefits for lucid dreaming and astral projection are well documented. What are the galantamine benefits for conscious dreaming? Would you like to embark on a crazy lucid journey? Would you like to have more than 5 lucid dreams in one single night? What are the galantamine side effects? The procedure. Evening pills, before sleep. 1. GABA 500 mg packed with 2 mg of vitamin B6, to relax and sleep drowsier. I am a light sleeper. 2. 5-HTP. Middle of the night pills, WBTB wake back to bed. 1. Galantamine pill equals galantamine 8 mg plus VitB5 100 mg plus choline 200 mg. 2. Choline pill 500 mg, so a total of 700 mg including the above tablet. Note, my body weight is 85 to 95 kg. Some lucid dreamers partake 4 mg of galantamine only to yield decent lucidity effects. Results show clear galantamine benefits. Upon the consecutive awakenings, I witness abundant hypnagogia that is a premise for an easy shift into lucid dreams and astral projections. Without fail, the results did not disappoint the expectations. I have experienced 21 lucid dreams and out-of-body experiences during the next 4 hours. I could have done more, but the alarm clock rushed me out of bed to go to work. Some of you may ask, how did you count to 21? And the answer is, it wasn't easy. With my awareness fluctuating from the physical body to the dream body quickly, I kept standing up from the bed multiple times with my dream body. Each time, I would try hard to remember the previous count and add one more to that. Some experiences were short-lived, well under 1 minute. 3 out of 21 were significant and long in duration. I visited the moon, met a spiritual guide and shifted into a black panther. You can imagine how happy I was this morning. The galantamine benefits for lucid dreaming and astral projection are without doubts. The only nights that culminate in more than 5 shifts in one night are related to galantamine partaking. Galantamine side effects. Besides the undoubtful galantamine benefits for lucid dreaming, it is essential to note the side effects. 1. Light-headed feeling the next day. 2. Impression to have a restless sleep. 3. Increased micro-awakenings. 4. Light muscle tremors on that night. 5. Increased excitement. 6. Difficulty falling asleep. 7. Stomach cramps and increased acidity. It helps to take galantamine with a banana or a small snack to alleviate the stomach issue. But all the rest of the galantamine side effects have to be managed by you. The difficulty to fall asleep can be a challenge for the induction of lucid dreams and astral projections. In particular, the wild or the direct method will fail if you won't be capable of re-falling asleep after ingesting galantamine. The lack of sleepiness is a major undesirable galantamine side effect. I have found as well that the way I was behaving within the dream state was somewhat hectic. It isn't easy to put into words what I mean precisely by saying this. But I find that my behavior was rushing and compulsive. Maybe with enough experience, it is possible to tackle it consciously. Frequency of galantamine usage. Be aware when taking any supplement. The receptors in our body can get tired of dealing with a given chemical compound. The scientific term associated with this phenomenon is desensitization. Receptor desensitization refers to the decreased responsiveness that occurs with repeated or chronic exposure to agonist and is a general feature of most signaling membrane receptors. It is possible to take piracetam the next day decrease galantamine's blood level quicker. This way, some lucid dreamers use galantamine more than once a week. A personal note from Lucidity for all and Yuri Zaretsky. Neither Yuri nor Lucidity for all advises you to venture into taking supplements to help induce lucid dreams and astral projections. From the medical perspective, it is your responsibility to research enough the chemical compounds you decide to put in your body. We only share a personal experience and do not entice you to repeat it. Please do not neglect the numerous galantamine side effects while considering the real galantamine benefits for lucid dreaming and astral projection. From a practical standpoint, it is possible to fail even with galantamine. It would be best to learn the fundamentals of the shift before you experiment with the nootropics such as galantamine and piracetam. I often say, galantamine side effect is to take you on such a fast train that you may think that you aren't moving at all. You will witness such wild hypnagogia that you will firmly believe to be awakened and fail your attempts to induce lucid dreams and astral projections.
Yuri Zaritsky is a longtime practitioner and independent researcher. He has compiled an online course that has absolutely everything in it. It is often on sale and costs only $15. The links are in the description of this video. Guys, let us know in the comments below if you liked, or even did not like this presentation. Leaving a small thanks means a lot to us and encourages us to do better for you. You can also share in the comments below your progress with Lucidity for All courses and how it works for you. Consider subscribing to Lucidity for All channel. Activate the notifications. And do not miss our next generation learning materials. See you soon in one of our workshops. Dream well and have a safe journey.